Have you ever wondered just how far a signal can go when you're playing ham radio? Well, listen to this clip. I got Scotland.
Yeah, any more North America? Okay, kilowatt 9 Bravo Foxtrot, QSL? Okay, kilowatt 5 Quebec Bravo Foxtrot, QSL, good morning. Thanks very much indeed. You're 5556 into the Orkney Islands, Shane, QSL? Okay, thanks for the 5-6 into North Texas, Shane. Nice to meet you for the first time. Thanks very much indeed. We'll catch up with you hopefully under better conditions. Have a good weekend in 73. Bye-bye.